Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor in KW Coastal Bend. We have a fabulous workshop coming your way, and this is going to be on July 1st. And what we're going to be doing that day, so you want to bring your laptop, bring your tablet, is we're going to be going through how to get on the first page of Google in days. This is specifically talking about Google MyMaps. And if you're not familiar with MyMaps, you will fully understand how to implement these after this session. Then we're going to roll right into ChatGPT for real estate, and more specifically AI. I'm going to be sharing a lot of different techniques that are going to help you to build and grow your business. We'll take our lunch break. We'll come back. We're going to do video marketing for real estate. I'm going to show you all the ins and outs that you have to have from a video point of view to have success as a real estate agent. And then we are also going to go in and finish everything up with riches in the niches. Now this power session, here's the best part. All of this is going to be CE certified. So you're going to earn 6 hours of CE credit. You have the ability to attend in person. You have the ability to attend at a little bit of a higher rate via Zoom if you just can't make it in person. But I look forward to seeing all of you July 1st, either in person or via Zoom. Thanks.